Individual parliamentarians' role as the national lawmaker is on a decline, which in turn has adversely impacted the quality of debates and their outcome. Discuss. 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. In a democracy, individual parliamentarians are essential as they make laws, debate issues, and examine legislation that affects the nation. Recently, there has been a decline in their roles, negatively impacting the quality of parliamentary debates and the effectiveness of the legislative process. Body. Factors contributing to this decline include party discipline. Strict adherence to party lines often forces parliamentarians to follow their party's stance, limiting individual opinions and dissenting views. Rise of populism. The growth of populist politics emphasizes catchy slogans over meaningful policy discussions, reducing substantive debate. Influence of interest groups, lobbying and the impact of money in politics can drown out the genuine concerns and contributions of individual parliamentarians. Effects of this decline on the quality of debates include reduced diversity of opinions. Less room for dissent leads to fewer perspectives in debates, resulting in a more uniform legislative process. Less rigorous scrutiny of bills. With fewer individual contributions, bills may not be thoroughly examined, as parliamentarians prioritize party loyalty over critical assessment. Lack of in-depth discussions. Superficial debates replace meaningful discussions, with parliamentarians failing to engage deeply on issues. Consequences for legislative outcomes are poorly drafted legislation. Insufficient scrutiny can lead to poorly crafted laws, which may create implementation challenges. Limited accountability. Less discussion means the government may not be adequately held accountable for its proposals, undermining democracy. Reduced public trust. A decline in debate quality can erode public trust in the legislative process and democratic institutions. Conclusion. Addressing the decline in individual parliamentarians' roles is essential to maintain the integrity and effectiveness of democracy, ensuring well-crafted legislation and government accountability.